Wanna know how to fix RMS in Audacity easily? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Audacity application. And now once you open that, you should be provided with this interface right here. And now once you have opened up your interface, you should be provided with this current empty blank interface. So what you can do is just simply import the audio that you'd like to remove RMS from. So once the importing is done, you can just simply double click to select the entire track, head towards effect and then select volume and compression. And now right beside volume and compression, you should be seeing loudness normalization. So just simply select it, and now you can just simply select RMS right here. So you re-normalize it to RMS and make sure it's around 13 to 16 decibels, minus 16 decibels, and then select apply. And once you have done that, here you can see the loudness has been normalized and the RMS has been fixed as well. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.